Yo, he's over there. Let's go get him. North 275. Yo. Yo, what the fork? You can't just come in here and scare me like that. What do you even want? Yo, that was an MLG play, bro. So it was nice. You just opened the door. How did you even see that? Why haven't you uploaded on your YouTube channel in like over a year, bro? You're slacking. I don't know. I've just been busy. You know, school, work, school, work. You should make a montage, man. I don't know. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. I don't know yet. I don't really got time for that type of stuff. Nah, I'm just get back to playing. Whatever, man. Whatever. That's why you got 60 subscribers and half of them are your friends, right? Yeah. I don't want to hear it. Bro, can you close the door? Jesus. Oh my god, man. So annoying.
Yeah. Ooh, let me, ayy. Ooh, ayy. I done run that bit up like a track. Run that bit up like a track. Packing on my tech jack. She got a bag in my tech. We pulling it to your pattern, I go for the red click clap. Run that bit like a boy with a salon, and she's on my dick and I bend up. I got that pack in the box and 7 line and open it, fill it up. I'm from the dream and I feel like it's me. All of the dirty, it's me. But I know the rest of you never be a nigga, but still don't know chasing me. She ride my dick like a skateboard. I get the vibe, I don't date horse. I get messing and she might be dope. I got my two lit, pimpin' face, pimpin' whip. Piss on my wrist,